All right, good morning. It's a little after 7 a.m. We are up in the yurt. Jacob's outside.
I can hear you.
Oh, let's go say hi to Jacob. Ugh. Jesus.
Welcome to my crib.
Yeah, a little spooky out here.
Did you tell me about the rooster?
Not yet, but there's a rooster that goes off. Jacob said
4 o'clock in the morning.
Jacob said he heard him at 4.
4 a.m.
I heard him at 5:45.
Yep.
And then I kind of just been up since. I went back to sleep for like an hour though.
Nobody cares about this.
Yeah, no one cares about that. Anyways, we're gonna eat some food and leave. All right.
Dude, I mean, this is a farm, right? We just go find what makes butter.
Go get the
Cows?
eggs.
Cows.
Give us eggs. You're right. What makes butter? Hey Siri. Chef Jacob. Oh, we got butter. I don't know if that was an update I didn't tell us before, but we didn't have butter, and I went and got butter
From a gas station.
from the Shell gas station. Oh, there's multiple of you. Hello. Oh, there's a few guys over here. Good morning. All right, we are just about ready to head off to North Cascades National Park and start our first hike. It is about 8:45. A little smoky out here.
We're smoking.
Yeah, there's fires. Here we go! Yay! It's a little smoky around here. Going to the visitor center. I think it's closed though. Getting ready for the hike. Definitely. All right, we're almost to the hike. We're filling out the safety things just in case Jacob and I get lost in the trail.
Definitely didn't need to wear pants.
Yeah.
Of 2 different roads, and I'm undecided on where to go. I'm caving in with the new place. It's dark and dusty down the old ways, and that's a note on my mental state. Don't worry, it's here to stay. I'm happy in my own mind. I think it all the time. You should go give it a try and tell me what you'll find. Tell me what you'll find. Tell me what you'll find. Trapped in one's head, I'd rather be left for dead. Trapped in one's head, come unlock me instead. And suddenly I'm struck, caused by a ripple.
I don't know how many times I've tripped. Ah!
What's your dog's name?
This is Carly.
Carly.
And she likes shadows.
Said life doesn't get much better than this for me. I'm trying to be sentimental.
Perfect.
Pretty nice view.
Out and about downtown.
Yeah.
Just a night on the town.
It's been very steep. We still have to climb all the way up there. All right, we are beginning our descent down the mountain. Go to the car. That's the quick way down.
Get off your ass now. I wanna watch you. You've gotten older, but there's so much left to do.
We were near some edges a little bit ago. It kind of seemed like Angel's Landing all over again, which Jacob was a big fan of. We're almost to the road. Finally on solid ground now, after a 3-mile hike. We're here. We're close to cars, so I think we're pretty close. What's the time?
4:48.
So it's been 6 hours.
Exactly 6 hours.
Yeah.
It'd be cool.
We were all the way up there.
Totally, yeah.
Now we're down here. It is 6 hours. We've done it. And I don't know. Oh, it feels so good to sit. Now I'm standing again. And Jacob is changing sheets. I'm gonna sit down again. Watch out for gremlin. That's Gremlin the cat. Gremlin.
Move, I'm hungry.
And nothing that I